welcome back to my channel. So today I'm dressed like super snugly in my wrap knitted cardigan, and the weather has definitely turned. Like, it is cold outside, the wind is blowing, and summer is over, and I don't think I'm quite ready to let go yet. But on a positive note, the autumn FabFitFun box has been delivered. So first off, FabFitFun is an American brand, so this has to wing its way all the way over from the States, so it's gonna take longer for us British subscribers. However, I feel like I had the dispatch notification on this months ago, like no exaggeration, months ago, and I feel like this month is going to be a bit of a disappointment. So with the FabFitFun box, the way in which it differs is you can actually customize bits in it, so you get to pick so many products, and I didn't see the email saying that it was time to pick, and next minute it was like, you've missed it, we picked for you. So I'm a bit gutted about that. I don't think I'm going to have the things that I would have picked, but there's nothing that I can do now. So without further ado, let's dive inside and see what we've got. So first off, the first thing I noticed with this box is there is no magazine like we usually get in the FabFitFun box. It's usually like a full-on editorial magazine piece showing you like how to use the products and little like tips and advice really. But that is missing from this month's box, and it was missing from Glossy box, so I don't really know what is going on this month, whether it's just one of those months. But luckily I've got the app, so I can actually see all the products and read about them on there. So first up is a battery powered toothbrush, and it is from the brand called Black. I've never heard of them before, but I've got to say I do really love the packaging on it. Very stylish and very sleek. So this retails for $50, and it says that it is a battery powered toothbrush that's been engineered to maintain your overall oral health and deliver a superior clean feeling. Perfect to pair with the Black whitening toothpaste. I feel, no, maybe it's the Blank. Is it Blanks? I don't know, maybe I'm getting them mixed up. I don't know if I've heard of this brand or not. With activated charcoal for maximum whitening powder. What's included is a handle, 2 replacement heads, 2 AA batteries, and a user manual. So let's whip this out and have a look what it looks like. Does feel a bit plasticky, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I have the Oral-B toothbrush, and mine was like 120 quid, so I mean it's never going to at $50 compared to that, but this might be a good one to take on holiday. It says that it does have a timer and comes with these little brush heads you can see here. I don't know, I might give this a go and take it on holiday with me. I'm unsure. I can't really keep it as a gift because it's a bit of a weird gift to give someone, isn't it? Like, here's a toothbrush. Your breath smells. I may take it on holiday and like use it as just like a travel spare toothbrush. I don't know, we'll see. Next up is something from Coach, and if it is what I think it is, then I'm very excited because I almost put this in my last box. I think I almost paid extra to add it into my box. And it comes in this gorgeous little fabric pouch. And it is exactly what I thought it was. So this is the open circle necklace and tea rose stud set, and it is beautiful. Can you see that? So it's got these little rose earrings and then this gorgeous like diamante stud necklace, and this retails for $125, and it also comes with a little like book like certification thing. And I think that is an amazing gift. I mean, to say that I've paid, what is it, $43? I can't quite remember how much the subscription is. And that alone is worth $125. I think that's a really good thing, even if it's not for you. It's a really good like gift or stocking filler for Christmas. I mean, it's a pretty expensive stocking filler. I mean, probably just a present. Next up is a product from Philip Kingsley, and it is their Finishing Touch Polishing Serum. Now, if you have watched my hair routine video, you will know that I love Philip Kingsley. So I usually use his elasticizer, and I've got to say I've never used this product before, so really looking forward to trying it. I do find that when I switch to like sulfate and silicone free shampoo and conditioners, my hair got a bit like frizzier and I got more kinks. Like, usually my hair is poker straight, but ever since eliminating those from my hair care routine, my hair started to get like a really subtle wave. So I found that I've been needing to go in with Olaplex number 6, as I mentioned, every time I do my hair. So this will be an interesting alternative, so looking forward to trying that, and it retails for $33. Next up is a bit of an odd one, and I may be gifting these, I really don't know. But they are, mind you, they do feel super soft. They are these boot socks made of bamboo. They do feel really soft, but I've just flipped them over, and they're by a company called Fry, and can you see that the writing's coming off before they're even worn, which isn't the best. So these retail for $24 for a pack of 2. You get a pair of black and a pair of like a marl grey. So it actually says on the description of these, whether you wear them long or scrunch them up, these socks offer a ton of styling options. I have never known them claim boot socks have a ton of styling options, but there you go. So they're mid-weight boot socks, and they are made from viscose, polyamide, spandex, and they fit shoe sizes 5 to 10. So a bit too small for Gavin, so I don't know. Maybe I'll just have to use them myself, although winter's coming up and they do feel really soft, so I probably will get my use out of them. Next up is a product from True Moringa, and it's a Shea and Moringa Balm, which is a moisturising balm for hands and body. Now, my hands are feeling super dry at the minute from all the like alcohol gels and washing my hands in the airport and stuff, so I'm looking forward to trying this. In fact, I think I might take it on holiday with me because I think it's going to be really handy. So let me just, oh my goodness, it's like really thick, almost like Vaseline, maybe thicker than Vaseline, Jesus Christ. Maybe that needs heating up before it's used. Okay, yeah, can you see? It's definitely a balm. It gets softer as it warms on your skin, but very, very thick. It's got a very subtle, fresh smell, not too overpowering, so if you don't like scents, this one will be a good one for you. So this retails at $24, and it says if you're dealing with dry, chapped skin, use this balm to lock in moisture and provide long-lasting protection. And I can definitely feel that. I can feel that it's going to really sort out dry, probably good for your heels, like dry, cracked skin. So it features shea butter and moringa seed oil, can be used on hands, cuticle and other dry areas. Really good for knees and elbows, I think. Cool. Okay, so it sounds very similar to the Elemis if you've never used, what's it called? The Frangipani, I think it's called. The like body oil that is solid and you have to melt it. It sounds really similar to that. So looking forward to giving that one a go. I don't know if it's something that I will use too often, but I do find that I suffer from eczema and dry, chapped skin. And the final product that I have got is called Image Skincare Omedic Zoe Ayla, the Two Bandits Bundle. Whatever that's supposed to mean. So I'm going to show you all the products that are in it, because that means nothing to me. I haven't got a clue what that means. So the full bundle retails for $69, and the first product mentioned is this from Image Skincare, and it is the Omedic Balancing Lip Enhancing Complex, and it comes in this little box. So if I whip this open so that we can have a look inside, I do love a lip treatment, and it's something that you don't see too often. Let me try it now because I've actually not got anything on my lips and they are feeling a bit dry. Ooh, that's really nice. Got a really familiar taste / smell. I think it's a bit like a Refreshers. I think that's what it is. But it does feel really nice on my lips. Doesn't feel like, you know, really like thick and sticky and like in your face. I mean, yeah, it doesn't, it's not super sticky, but it does feel really hydrating, if that makes sense. So it says that Image Skincare Omedic Lip Enhancement Complex gives your lips a boost in visual volume and moisture when you apply this hydrating treatment. Infused with avocado oil and vitamin E, polypeptide complex helps lips appear naturally firm. Has it made my lips look bigger? I don't know. It has definitely like made them feel more moisturized, hydrated. So maybe that's what they're banking on making your lips look bigger and fuller. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. And next in the bundle is this eco-friendly comb set from a company called Zoe Ayla, I'm gonna say. I'm not too sure if I've said that right. And it says that it is a 2-piece comb set. So it says that it includes a large tooth comb and a small tooth comb with rounded, soft teeth, which makes it easy to detangle hair and prevents breakage. Okay, so it looks like these are made out of like a recycled plastic or something. If I show you close up, you can see like little dots in it, which indicates that it's probably recycled. And this is perfect for my daughter because I have to do like her partings when I'm doing her little bunches. I'm always needing one of these, but the one that I've got is metal, and it always terrifies me that I'm gonna like take her eye out. So having one that's plastic, I definitely feel a bit safer around her, and it's not as sharp on the end. And she always needs a fine comb like this when brushing her hair. I do have like a bristly brush type of comb, and I never find that that like smooths their hair out as well as these. So I, again, will be taking that on holiday. That's a really handy comb to have. And the other one is this red one, which again, I think is going to be perfect for like combing out my curls after I've curled my hair, to give it more of like a loose, like blown out wave. It's very similar. I'm pretty sure Molly May has one like this, I think. And finally, I've got a product from the Two Bandits. And this says that it's a tiered capsule tray for organising your rings, necklaces, bracelets in a tiered organiser. Oh my goodness, I can't get it out. So, okay, this is interesting. So it's got like this grey, again, marl bottom, but it's also like felt, and it's also looks a bit like marble, I guess, and it has like this faux bamboo wood. It's all plastic, and then I'm guessing you space it out like this, and you can organise your jewellery, and then you can like fold it up to keep them safe. Not something that I would choose, to be honest. Not a huge fan of it. It doesn't feel the best of quality. So yeah, a bit disappointed with that one. There's not really much else to say on it, apart from it's a jewellery organiser. So yeah, it's not my style, not me, unfortunately. So this will be in the gifting pile. And that's everything in this season's FabFitFun box. Now, I've got to say that I didn't pick any of these items, I'm actually really impressed. It's only really the jewellery organiser that I probably wouldn't use. I mean, I can still get use out of the toothbrush. So all in all, I don't think I've done too bad, and the overall worth of the box is really good to say that I've paid $40-something for it. So yeah, we've not done bad. But that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, if you could please hit the like and the subscribe button below, and make sure you ring the bell so that you stay notified of any new videos and content. But for now, I will see you soon. Bye!